Yeah, hello guys. So here I will show the Grafana part. So we have configured the nodes. Okay, sorry. So nodes we have configured. We have configured Prometheus and node A, B, and C. We have installed the node exporter in the three machines. Okay, these are virtual machines in AWS. Okay, so we are getting the we have configured the endpoint here in Prometheus, and we are getting the status of the node, okay, node data in Prometheus. Now we will configure Grafana. Okay, so we'll configure Grafana to show these datas in graphical mode. Okay, okay. So what I will do, I will open a new. I will install Prometheus and Grafana in the same machine. Okay, I will get the public IP and I'll start a new session in move extern. Okay, and start it. Okay, so here I will go to the grafana.com. Here you will get the download, how to configure or install Grafana. Okay, here go to the installation. Okay, my machine is Red Hat Linux machine. Go to the RPM based Linux, CentOS, Fedora, OpenSUSE, and Red Hat. Okay, and here just you can directly install with the help of a yum repository also. Okay, so I will go to the download page. Here go to the Linux, Ubuntu. For Ubuntu and Debian, these uh, instructions are given here. Okay, for CentOS, Fedora, this RPM based installation is given here, and we can install by using the tar.gz uh, file also. We can download it and we can unzip it and we can run that in our server like that. Also Linux standalone binaries we can download. Okay, now I'll go to the Red Hat, the CentOS, RACL, and Fedora. This one. Okay, I will get that RPM in my Prometheus machine. Okay, Prometheus is already running. Okay, I have not stopped it. Go to that. Okay, this is the Grafana RPM is there. Okay, now get this one and then sudo yum install Grafana RPM. Okay, enter. This is how we can install, and another way also we can install In this page we will get all the information. Okay, how to install, download and install Grafana. Okay, the installation is done. Now I will have to start the Grafana server. Okay, go to the same page, and here you will see the start the server with system D. Okay, how to start it? Systemctl daemon reload. Okay, I will give the detail of these links in the description. Okay, now start Grafana. So Grafana will run in 3000 port. Okay, let's see, check the status. You can see that Grafana is running now, and the port number is 3000. Let's go and access it. Let's check another thing. You can see the Grafana is running port 3000 and Prometheus is running in port 9090. Okay, now go to the browser. I will close this browser and I will close this browser also, and now take the IP of that same Prometheus machine and go to the browser, give port number 3000 and enter. So we will get the Grafana dashboard. So we'll start. Okay, so welcome to Grafana. Now give admin and username and password. Okay, so admin is the username and password is also so initial password is also admin. So login, you will get another. So here in this window we can change our new password and confirm new password. You can change the password. Okay, so now I'll not change the password, I'll skip it. This is for demo purpose, that's why I'm not changing the password. So this one is the dashboard of Grafana, the basic dashboard, and here first I will have to integrate the data source. So where I will get the data? So data I will get from the Prometheus. Here you will get that Prometheus, Graphite, OpenTSDB, then InfluxDB, like that are there. So we can get the data from this MySQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, so Google Cloud Monitoring. So all the options are here. We can use Splunk also. We can get the data from here. Okay, now what we are doing, we are using the Prometheus. Okay, select it, and then here Prometheus, then HTTP. So URL I will have to give the Prometheus URL I will have to give. Okay, so get the URL, copy, then paste it here, and authorization. Now I don't have to give any authorization now. Okay, so if you use any certificate to log into the server, then we can use which certificate, share certificate we can use. And so another thing, okay, let's go with this, all this in with default, and save and test. Now back. Okay, okay, now go to the dashboard. Here so we'll have to import a dashboard so that the data can we can as the we can show the data in different format or in different mode. Okay, so there are some Grafana dashboards already available in the Grafana. If you will go to the Grafana, here you can get the dashboards. Okay, so some dashboards are already available in this website. You can get that ID of the dashboard and use that. Okay, so here I will use one. I will use the dashboard. Okay, so some dashboard number is here available. You can search it. No display. Okay, so I will get this one. uh, so 1860. So this one is the dashboard, the number. I will give this number and I will get that dashboard here. Okay, so 1860 and load it. Okay, it has been loaded. Okay, then Prometheus data source is Prometheus. Select it and then import it. You will get the status in graphical mode. So this is how Grafana works. Here you will get all the endpoints Ansible. This one is the Jenkins server and this one is the Tomcat server. So this is the CPU busy. CPU is 100% utilization is going on. RAM used, swap memory, how much swap memory is using, so root fs used or not, like that it is showing, and many other uh, graphical view we can get from the CPU memory net disk. These are we are getting. Okay, and then let's go to this Ansible and see. You can see, so system D, like storage disk, how much storage disk is utilized, you can see that. Okay, so this utilization will show. So this is how the Grafana gives us the graphical analytics of the servers we want to see the status. Okay, okay, thank you in this for your time, and I'll see you in the next part of Prometheus and Grafana. Okay, thank you.